Hi guys, my name is Victor. Welcome to my DIY Time Tech channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a sprocket on Hobie Mirage kayak pedal drive. Recently, my buddy and I went fishing for red drums, and it was a great day. Everything was going well until I accidentally ran at full speed into a really shallow spot, and one of the rods on my pedal drive just broke off. This happened to me before, but in the past, the rod would simply bend, but I guess at this point, the metal lost its strength and the rod snapped. I was able to fix the rod, and if you would like to see how I did it, you can check out this video. Link will be on the screen or in the description area below. However, I couldn't extract the broken part from the sprocket, so today we're going to replace it. To remove the old sprocket, first loosen the set screw holding the shaft in place. For that, you'll need 3mm hex key. Step 2. Loosen the knot for the idler cable. Step 3. Remove the idler cable and the chain from the sprocket. Step 4. Use a flathead screwdriver to push out the shaft. And now the old sprocket is removed from the drive assembly. Remove 2 Phillips screws and then take off the plastic cover from the sprocket. As you can see here, the broken piece from the fin rod got stuck inside of the sprocket. I wasn't able to extract it because the metal was really hard and the extractor kit just broke, and that's why I have to replace the entire sprocket. I couldn't find the same exact replacement part at my local kayak store, and since I wanted to get this fixed as soon as possible to be able to go fishing on the weekend again, I purchased upgraded GT version of the sprocket. It still fits my drive and it has a little bit better design. It should make the drive work a little easier because it uses a different bearing system inside of it. I compared both sprockets and they look almost identical except for the color, and they use a different bearing system inside. The new sprocket will cost you around $30, and if you're interested, I can post a link in the description area below this video where you can buy them online. The installation process will be pretty much in the reverse order of the removal. The only tricky part would be installing the sprocket bearings. Here is the easiest way to do this. First, install the shaft into the sprocket. Then install all of the bearings. Next, carefully pull the shaft back without disrupting the bearings. Next, squeeze the foam ear plug and insert it into the sprocket to hold the bearings in place. Now you can freely move the shaft in and out of the sprocket while keeping all of the bearings in place. This will allow you to reinstall the sprocket and the shaft without too much trouble. When installing the shaft, make sure that this notch is facing the set screw. That way it's going to prevent the shaft from spinning and sliding out while operating the pedal drive. Don't forget to reinstall the set screw, followed by the chain and the idler cable. Alright, as you can see, overall it's very simple and straightforward repair that requires only basic household tools, and it takes very little time to complete. I hope this video was helpful, and if so, please give it a like. Thank you for watching and happy kayaking!